Hello everybody, Donovan here with a brand new After Effects tutorial teaching you how to move objects in After Effects. Keep in mind this is a beginner tutorial, but it teaches you the basic fundamentals to move objects like the professionals do. Applying motion to an object in After Effects will affect its rotation, its position, or its scale. Next to each of these categories is a stopwatch. This is the basic fundamentals of movement in After Effects. You select your start point in your timeline. Most of us, it's going to be 0 seconds. From there, you simply want to scrub in the timeline to where you want your animation to end. We're going to focus on 2 seconds. Once we're at the 2-second mark, you simply grab the object with your cursor in the comp and move it to where you desire, or you can actually edit the values in the timeline below. Once you got everything set to where you want, if you scrub back in the timeline to 0 seconds, you'll notice the motion taking effect on your object. Just to show you variations, here's an example of position, here's an example of scale, and here's an example of rotation. That is the basics of motion in After Effects. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe and check out my other tutorials on my channel. More advanced versions to come. Thank you and have a wonderful day.